Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Capital One developer APIs for secure UI experiences, full guide step by step clearly. To start authenticating with Capital One developer APIs, you first need to create an account on the Capital One developer website. Once your account is created, log in to access the developer portal. Next, navigate to the API section on the platform. Here, you will find a list of available APIs. Select the specific API you wish to use for your application. After selecting an API, review its documentation for authentication requirements. You will find that Capital One uses OAuth 2.0 for authentication. To implement OAuth 2.0, you will need to register your application. Locate the option to create a new application in the developer portal. Fill in the necessary details, such as the application name and redirect URI. After submitting your application, you will receive a client ID and client secret. Store these credentials securely, as they are essential for authentication. Next, implement the OAuth 2.0 authorization code flow in your application. Begin by directing users to the Capital One authorization URL. Include your client ID and any required scopes in the URL. Once a user authenticates, they will be redirected back to your specified redirect URI. At this point, your application will receive an authorization code. Use this authorization code to request an access token. Send a POST request to the token endpoint, including your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code. On success, you will receive an access token. Utilize this access token to make authorized requests to the API. Include the access token in the authorization header of your API requests. Monitor the token's expiration, as it will need to be refreshed when it expires. To refresh the token, use the refresh token provided during the initial authorization. Send a POST request to the token endpoint again to obtain a new access token. By following these steps, you will be able to authenticate securely with Capital One developer APIs. This ensures a safe and secure user experience in your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.